golden opportunity to speak my topic, and my topic is importance of English. So first of all, I want to introduce what is English. English is an international language which is spoken, written and understood in all over the world. And as we know that it is the most spoken language in everywhere. As we know, English is spoken in almost every country. Why? Because of that, English is very important language. And if we talk about what is the importance of English, then there are lots of importance of English. First one is that if you talk about in education sector, then English can help us very much in an education sector. As we know, there are many famous books in English. So if we want to know the language of that, then we can easily learn that. We can easily learn that book, and we can gain whatever it is, whatever written on that book. And as we know, there are many books which is in English, and on that book there is more knowledge, and which is very necessary. As we know, we get education. Why? Because of knowledge. So if we want to get more knowledge, higher knowledge, then English can help us, and it plays a very important role. If we want to get higher education, then English also plays an important role. Means if we want to get higher education, higher knowledge, higher education, and if your ambition is to be a big person and to be a great person and also a scientist, IPS officer, railway officer, then it can help to make that type of officers, and it can help to achieve our goals. As we know, if we talk about means railway station, so then we know that that time we need English very much, because every information of railway is also available in English. So we need English on that time. And if we want to be an IPS officer, bank manager, then that times English plays an important role, because at that times if we want to be an IPS officer and bank manager, then firstly we need to qualify written examination. Then after we need to qualify interview. And as we know that in interview we need English language. Then after we can qualify our examination, and we can gain our ambition, and we can be a good officer, and we can gain whatever we want. So we need English language very much. And if we talk about another sector, means job sectors, then it plays an important role. And as we know, our country is facing lots of problems, and one of these is unemployment problem. So if we want to decrease unemployment problem, and if we suppose that if you have a good knowledge of English language, and you have no more knowledge of any other language, and you have no more language of any other subject, that time you can do work in call center. And as we know, if we work in call center, then we can be a good person, and we can get more and more salary, and we can also improve our situation. Means we can reduce poverty problem from our society, and also unemployment problem. And if we talk about another advantages, then as we know, nowadays our country is a digital country. Means after launch Digital India program, our country is a digital country. So digital India. So that's why if we want to do any work in this digital age, then we need English language, because as we know, in this modern age, almost every work is done by computer and mobile. And as we also know that the language of computer and mobile is also English. So if we want to operate mobile computer, then we need English language. So we can say that it is very important, and it is very beneficial. And if we talk about another advantage, then as we know, there are many types of movies available in our world. And one is Hollywood movie. As we know, it is famous in all over the world. So if we want to see and watch Hollywood movie, then we need English language. Means as we know, the language of Hollywood movie is English language. So it is also used on that time. And if we talk about another advantage, then another advantage is that it improves our personality and self-confidence. As we know, if we talk to any other person, means foreign country person, then sometimes we feel hesitate. Why? Because we are not able to understand their language. That's why we feel hesitate. But that time, if we have good knowledge of English, then we can easily communicate to them. and we can express our thoughts, and we can easily say what we want to say. So on that time we will not feel hesitate, and we will feel self-confident and self-dependent. And as we know that in our society, means if we talk about Indian society, then who people know English, then they can every people respect. Means they say that, and they thought that he or she has good knowledge of English. Maybe he is more educated. It does not matter how much knowledge you have, but if you have a good knowledge of English, then your self-confidence, your personality, your respects can increase in your society. So we can also say that it is also the advantages of English language. And if we talk about another advantages, then another advantages is that technology. As we know nowadays, not only in our country but all over the world is developing day by day in technology sector. And as we know, in technology means for use technology, for make technology, we need English language. So that's why we can say that if we want to develop our country, means as we know we need to develop every sector, then after our country can develop. So if we want to develop our country, and if we want to develop technology system of our country, then we need English language, because it can because of that we can develop our country. And if we talk about another advantages, then another advantages is that it remove our hesitation, and it make us to deal with other persons. As we know, when we go to take higher education, means in college, then we have to deal with public, and we have to give a speech, and we have to present our presentation before public. That times we feel hesitation. So but if you have good knowledge of English, then you can easily present your presentation, and you can remove your hesitation. Because as we know, when we feel self-confident, when we have good knowledge of any language, when we have good knowledge of any subject, then we feel confidence and self-dependent. So that's why we can say that English is very important language. And if we talk about what is the disadvantages of English, then there are only some disadvantages of English. First one is that as we know, our mother tongue is Hindi, and nowadays many people want to know English, and they prefer to speak English. Because of that, nowadays we are forgetting our mother tongue, which is not good. We should respect our mother tongue, and we should speak English. But I am not saying we should not learn English. Yes, learning any language is good, and if you know any other language beside your mother tongue, then it is very good, and it will show your intelligence. But only speak English, it is not good. And if we talk about another disadvantage, then another disadvantage is that it helps to forget our culture and our nationality. Means if we speak, means in India everyone speak English language, then how people underestimate, means foreign people underestimate he or she is Indian, because of our culture and civilization we known in other country. And as we know, in other country, India is known for here culture and civilization. But when we shift other language, other civilization and cultures, then we can also forget our civilization and culture, which is not good. And if we talk about another disadvantages of English, then as we know, many people say that it is very confusing language, and it is very difficult, because in English language there are many words which pronunciation is the same, but their use is different. So that's why many people say that it is confusing language. And if we talk about what is means, at last we can say that English is very important language in this modern age. But we should not only focus in English language. We should respect our language, means Hindi language, and we should try to speak English Hindi every time, because it is our modern tongue. And yes, I am not saying that we should not speak English, but we should speak English when we need. Otherwise, we should always speak Shadi, your performance time is over. Nice and go and have a seat. Please give a big hand for her.